Hi, this is Daniel. In today's video, we will learn how to add a preloader to your WordPress website. So let's get started. So the first step what we need to do is we need to log into our WordPress dashboard. We'll go to plugins, add new plugin. And here in the search plugin area, we will search for preloader. There are many other plugins named with Preloader, but in this video we will use Preloader Plus WordPress loading screen plugin. This is by Massimo Sanfelice. So the plugin has been installed. Let's just activate this. Now to add this plugin, we'll go back to our website and we'll click on customize. We'll scroll down a little bit. We can see Preloader Plus. We'll go to that. We'll go to icon, and here we can just select any animation we need to select that are built in. So we can use this. We can use any other animation that are built in. So let's just use any of the one. Now we can add a custom image to it. To add a custom image, we'll just go back, and in the settings we'll just click on the I button on custom image. So let's just get back, and on the icon image portion we will select the image. Let's just upload the files. Choose this image. Let's see how this looks. So as we can see, we have added our logo and along with the animation. We can also add a logo animation from here. Like we can just set this to rotation or fade. I'll just set this to fade and I'll click on publish. Now if I'll just go to my website, so the loading animation has been embedded. Also what we can do, we can edit the background of this preloader. So let's just set this to white so that we can see our logo properly. Yeah, great. Let's just click on publish, and if I'll just refresh my website, see the loading animation has been added. This looks good. So yeah, that's enough it from the video. Till then, take care and keep watching DTech TV.